Hello there guys, welcome back to the Review Bugs and I hope everything is well with you. Today we will be looking at 15 great devices that you can simply acquire to enhance your life by providing more comfort and functionality, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like it. Number 1, ELO Vagabond. I discovered a gadget that will transform your smartphone into a portable gaming cup, so it's perfectly compatible with most iOS and Android phones even with the case on, and it also gives incredibly pleasant grips comparable to those seen in Nintendo Switch or Xbox controllers. I loved how the buttons were reversed. Oh, and did I mention that you can also build up a virtual controller and tweak those buttons for a more immersive gaming experience? Number 2, Ultralumi Lumideck. I know I've shown you a lot of keyboards by now, but have you ever seen one with a screen that can be removed? A cable is still the correct term for it. Okay, here we are. Lumideck is a plug-and-play touchscreen display with a 14-inch display, Type-C, and multiple HDMI connectors, and a removable touchscreen. The mechanical keyboard works with both iOS and Android, but it shouldn't be used as your only input device. The keyboard's configurable software lets you alter its layout and keys to suit your preferences. For instance, you may connect up to 2 gadgets at once. You may flip through the images on the screen the same way on a mobile device. Number 3, HeyChy Mini Massage Gun. There is one thing that links professional athletes to their workplace counterparts. They're performing the same thing for long periods of time, which might lead to soreness and stiffness in their muscles. Here's a massage gun with 4 interchangeable massage heads and a single button to help you relax. It has 5 distinct speed settings to accommodate various massage requirements. The PU storage bag and the lightweight design of the gadget make it convenient to bring to the gym or on a trip. Additionally, the gun's sizable battery allows for continuous usage for up to 10 hours on a single charge. Number 4, YOOATOM Origin800. It's like a huge camping vacation really. With this product, first, we'll make sure you always have adequate power, and second, the device has swappable batteries that can convert into independent power sources and supports wireless charging. Imagine playing games or creating any place without being restricted by traditional power sources. There are also 13 output options, including USB-A, USB-C, and AC outlets, to meet all of your demands and charge anything from your phone to heaters and protectors. Additionally, there are specific cooling, heating, and lighting modules so you can enjoy your outdoor adventure the most. Number 5, KODAK Slide and Scan. The digital film scanner is your time machine for vintage-colored black and white negatives in 2 slides, allowing you to bring them back to life in stunning detail. Once wrapped, your photos are transformed into high-resolution digital images that can be viewed on a 7-inch LCD screen. Changing the contrast and exposure would be the same of casting onto an SD card or grabbing an HDMI connection to show the family photos on the big screen. Number 6, NOMVDIC L500. Have you ever wished your living room could transform into a movie theater? While projector systems do the job, they may be quite cumbersome to transport and set up. With its RGB triple lasers, which provide crazy brightness and color fidelity even when the projector is off, as well as its excellent contrast and crystal clear 180-inch projection, this device is really remarkable. The projector's IP5X dustproof rating adds to its durability and reliability, making it suitable for use in both indoor and outdoor settings. The innovative utilization of lights to produce a rainbow of vivid hues is what sets this device apart from the competition. With the eye image optimization technology built into the projectors, setting up a fantastic-looking projection is a breeze. Number 7, Fitbit Blaze Watch. Known for their excellent fitness trackers, Fitbit is now offering a line of modular smartwatches, the first of which has a color display and touchscreen functionality. This version's focus is fitness, with conveniences like incoming call, message, and calendar alerts included as bonuses. That way, you can always see important information, like your heart rate or step count, on the main screen of your wristwatch. If you want to start the new year as a dedicated fitness enthusiast, this reusable, double-walled insulated water bottle is a top pick among fitness trackers. Number 8, RedMagic Cyberbuds. RedMagic Cyberbuds are gaming earphones with lightning-quick 20-millisecond latency that will throw you straight into the action, while noise reduction will keep you locked in like besties with your phone or PC. You're linked after you open the cap. Bluetooth 5.3 and 4 3-inch dynamic drivers from Killer Point bring the sound and light tap controls are not simple to use, and that RGB wireless pad. Number 9, Baseus 3-in-1 USB-C cable. With this 3-in-1 retractable cable, you can get rid of the clutter of cables on your desk without sacrificing functionality. Or maybe it's even better since you can use it to charge 3 devices at once. The length of 5.5 feet means it can reach a neighboring electrical outlet without any problems. In addition, the connection is compatible with PD 100-watt rapid charging, so your devices will be revived quickly. Number 10, Anker Prime 6-in-1 charging station. However, if you require a few standard plugs, an Anker charging station may accommodate you. You may charge up to 6 devices simultaneously thanks to the combination of 2 AC outlets and 2 USB AC connectors. A 16-inch MacBook Pro can be charged to 100% in an hour and 15 minutes with 140-watt high-speed charging, which, like the preceding table, minimizes clutter on your workstation. Number 11, Nite Ratchet. Nite Ratchet, the ideal small toolkit that fits in the palm of your hand. This tool combines the elements of an old tool set into a handy container that includes 2 flat bits and 2 Phillips bits, a ruler, many wrenches, other useful tools. This tool may help you with a variety of activities. Everything is housed in a full-service ratchet, with one side for tightening and the other for loosening it onto your keys. Change your bag with the supplied carabiner to ensure you always have this handy tool on hand. Despite its tremendous adaptability, the tool weighs less than 2 ounces, making it ideal for your keychain. Number 12, LensCase. The LensCase is an excellent accessory for your iPhone, whether you use it for photography or business. It comes with 5 extra lenses to help you take better pictures. Taking unusual and original photographs is as simple as switching to a different website, such Fisheye or Metro Blue. You may capture fine details or amazing wide-angle effects with the case's slide and snap mechanism, which allows you to magnify your photos up to 30 times. The carbon fiber construction of the case ensures that your camera will remain safe and sound no matter where your travels take you. Number 13, UE Fits Earbuds. UE Fits Earbuds, a really revolutionary step forward for headphones and audio technology. The ear tips on these headphones include a unique LED that can be used to shape them to your ears in under a minute. This isn't your typical rubber, it's a cutting-edge photopolymer that sets up permanently in its niche environment. The end product is replaceable ear tips that may be shaped to fit any ear, no matter what you do. Hear everything clearly with no distracting noise. Superior fitness audio quality is only the beginning with these yearly publications. They include all the bells and whistles of high-quality earbuds, including a battery life of 20 hours on a single charge and a carrying case that adds another 8 hours of listening time. There won't be any hiccups in your listening experience. Number 14, Rechargeable Book Light. For all the midnight eels who like reading in the middle of the night, we have the right answer for you, the rechargeable light for glasses, which can be charged with a single charge. You may read up to 200 pages or participate in 3 hours of non-stop reading. No more worrying about running out of battery power in the midst of an exciting journey. You may attach it to your glasses, and a gentle LED light will smoothly follow your head, eliminating focus just where you need it. Even if you don't use glasses, the adjustable band may be clipped straight to your AirPods for a pleasant and lightweight experience. Number 15, Lumio Teno. Lumio Teno, this speaker may seem to be broken into at first sight, but don't worry, it's been effortlessly merged to produce a gorgeous semi-sphere with Bluetooth high picture connection and a powerful 10-watt amplifier. It has a built-in noise-canceling microphone and offers amazing crystal clear sound. You can answer calls straight from the speaker, and managing the Lumio is simple. Changing the volume, changing songs, or handling conversations has never been simpler or more intuitive thanks to its touch-sensitive panel, not to mention the intriguing lighting. It has 4 variable brightness settings, enabling you to create the appropriate mood for any event. It is an excellent addition to your nightstand in a calm and tranquil environment. That's all for the 10 cool gadgets that can make your life better and easier. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we will bring you more cool gadgets and devices every week.